All right, guys, we are going to be doing practice in homework 3.3, where we are going to be reviewing box method multiplication. So most of us do not have this worksheet, so let's just grab a piece of paper. As always, I'd really appreciate you sticking your name up on top along with 3.3. So let's take a peek at number 1. Number 1, we have 13 times 42. 13 times 42. So this is where we're going to have to draw our box. So I don't necessarily draw it proportionate. I draw it so that I can fit all of my numbers that I need in each box. So when I do box multiplication, I have to look at each value of the digit. So this 1 in 13 is really worth 10. And the 3 is worth 3. So 10 plus 3 equals that 13. So we're just pulling it and doing it expanded form. So this 4 is really worth 4D, and the 2 is worth 2. This is where we're going to multiply by using our basics facts. 4 times 1 is 4, 1, 2, 0. So we're looking at 400. 4 times 3 is 12, and 1, 0. 2 times 1 is 2, and our 1, 0. And 2 times 3 is 6. Now we have to add all 4 of these numbers to get what 13 times 42 is. So 400, 120, 20, and 6. Add it all together. 6, 4, 5. So 13 times 42 is 546. I am aware that some of you guys do know how to do regrouping method, but on this lesson, let's focus on box method because the next lesson we're going to do is going to focus on the regrouping method. Number 2 is 18 times 34. 18 times 34. So again, I'm just going to draw that box so that I have room to write all of my numbers in it. And 18 is really 10 plus 8. 34 can be broken into 30 plus 4. 3 times 1 is 3, and we have 2 zeros, so 300. 3 times 8 is 24 plus 1 0. 4 times 1 is 4 plus our 1 0. And 4 times 8 is 32. And again, we have to add all 4 of our partial products together. So 300, 240, 40, 32 added together. 0 plus 2 is 2. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry up. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So 18 times 34 is 612. Number 3, 22 times 26. So that 22 is 20 plus 2, and then 26 is 20 and 6. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 zeros, so 400. 2 times 2 again is 4 and 1 0. 6 times 2 is 12, 1 0. 6 times 2 is 12. We're going to add the 4 partial products together to get our product. 400 plus 40 plus 120 plus 12. please make sure that you line up your place values. 0 plus 2 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 1 is 5. 22 times 26 is 572. Let's take a peek at number 4. They gave us a box and we have to see if we agree with their partial products. So their problem was 17 times 24. And then their box was already drawn for us. So again, we have to see if we agree with their answers. On top, they have 20 and 4 and 10 and 7. So I normally go over and down, but they flip-flopped it. So our 17 is down and our 24 is across, which is still okay. And we have 200 in the first box. So 1 times 2 equals 2 and 1, 2, 0. So I think that that is correct. In the second box, they have 40. 1 times 4 is 4 in our 0. So I again agree with that. And then on our third box, they have 14. 7 times 2 is 14, but they forgot the 0. So we found our mistake right there. That is our big no-no. So we can stop right there and we can say our 7 times 2 equals 14, but 7 times 20 equals 140. So that's where we have to make sure that we remember all of our place value. Let's take a peek at number 5. Number 5 says, each student in Ms. Sheik's kindergarten class has a box of crayons. Each box has 36 crayons. So that's our first number. If there are 18 students in the class, how many crayons are there? So we have our 36 times our 18. So again, I'm going to draw my box. I have my 36, 10, and 8. So 1 times 3 gives me 3. 1, 2 zeros, 300. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1 0, 60. 8 times 3 equals 24. 1 0. 8 times 6 is 48. We have to add our 4 partial products together. 360. Again, please make sure you line up your place value. 240, 48. 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Carry up. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So 36 times 18 equals 648. Last problem, number 6. Describe how to model a 2-digit by 2-digit using box method. So number 6, my first step would be to draw a large box. And then I kind of draw a T through it so that I have 4 boxes. Okay, draw that T. And then I need to write the value of each digit by expanded form. So write each digit or write each number in expanded form. Okay, and then we're going to multiply. And then what do we do with all of our products? We add all of our products. When you guys are done with 3.3, please make sure you take a picture and send it to me. And then please log into Galileo and complete your 3.3 quiz. Thank you guys.